Today we will learn table type by which we will be able to show content to our web page in column or row format. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are doing well. I am Vishnu Dattu, welcoming you to ACAD tutorial. So let's start. First, we have to go search bar. Here we have to type text editor. If you are in Windows, then you must have Notepad. If you are in Linux, then you must have text editor. If you have in Mac, then you must have text editor. So if you don't have any text, if you are using Notepad, you just have to open a text editor. Okay. If Windows user has no Notepad, then use any text editor. If you are in Linux and if you don't have text editor, then use any text editor. If you are in Mac and if you don't have text editor, then use any text editor. Okay, so I am opening a text editor. Okay, this is a text, this is a blank text document like our physical text paper. In physical text paper we can write by pen like this way. In digital text editor, in digital text document we can write anything by keypad. Okay, so I am just zooming this text editor. Okay, now if I type anything, it will be zoom. It will be very easy to see what I am typing here. So for this reason I am zooming this. I have zoomed this. But if you don't need to zoom it, if you can see it on normal font. So I am just creating a canvas by HTML tag and also closing this canvas by HTML tag. When we will use advanced slash in any keyword, then it's mean closing tag. We have created canvas and we have closed canvas. In this canvas, what we can write? We can write head, like our head and our body. So this is rule of HTML. Okay. What we have to do? We have to create head and we have to close head. After closing head, what we have to do? We have to create also body tag, and we have to always also close body. So we have created head, we have created body. So in this head we have to give this page name by title tag. Okay, so we are creating title tag, title. We also close title tag. In this title tag, what we have to do? We have to set. What we have to do? We have to set table tag. Today we are learning table tag. Table tag. Okay, table tag. Now in this table tag, so this is a page. This is table tag is a property of title tag. Title tag is property of head tag. Okay, and head tag is property of HTML tag. Body is property of HTML tag. Okay, so this is a rule. When we are creating a canvas by HTML tag, then we have to create head and body tag. And in this head tag, we will set title tag, and in this title tag, we will set table tag. It's a property of title tag. And in this body tag, what we will do? We will do everything. We will write anything which we wanna show to our web page. So this is for browser. We will not be able to see it, but in this body tag, we will see everything which we will write here. Okay, so I am creating a heading tag and also closing head tag. Okay, we have closed head tag. In this head tag, what we will do? We will write table tag, table tag uses. So we know if we create a JSON tag to our web page, then it's a good for our web page, cause it's create high rank to search engine. It's create high rank to search engine. So now if we create, and when search engine come to us to be, when search engine visit our website, then they understand this about, they understand about this page content by this h1 tag, and every web page must have a h1 tag. If we don't use h1 tag, then search engine see this web page is not good website. For this reason, search engine don't rank this page well. Okay, now we are creating p tag. We are creating p tag. Okay, and we are also crossing p tag. In this p tag, what we are doing? We are writing. We are just giving little detail of this web page. Okay, the h1 is heading and p is detail. Okay, paragraph. Today we will learn. Today we will learn paragraph tag and paragraph. Now what we will learn? Today we will learn table tag, not paragraph tag. TABLD, table tag. You should tell me. But if you don't notice, then how it will be? It's not good. You should respond. Okay. So now I am creating table tag and also closing table tag. We have created table tag. We have closed table tag. Okay. Okay. Now what will I do? Now we will create a tr tag. So table tr. Okay, tr, and we also have to create close tr. So when we will create a tr, it's like a column, or it's like a column or row. Okay, so this is a column, and this h1 and h2 both are row. This is row. Okay, and this is column. Okay, so we have created a column. Okay, like this way we can create another column. Okay, so we have created another column. The first column and second column. Okay, this is first column. This is second column. And in this column, we just have to give some little space here. In this column, we can write. What we can write? Let me see what can I. We have to create th. Okay, and if we write anything here, then what will we get here? Okay, I'm just removing this. I just want to show it what will happen here. Okay, so th is property of tr is property of table. Okay, so I'm writing name and save it. Then what will we get it? Then we have just to save it as a text document or as a HTML document. Okay, so we are going here and writing Eleven advanced slash tutorial.html. We must have to use .html extension, otherwise it will not create a web page. Except .html, this will not create a web page. So if you want to create a HTML web page, then we must have to use .html extension. Okay. So now if we go to document where we saved it and right click on Eleven tutorial and click on open with and select Google Chrome and open or click, then what we will get? We will get name. So table tag is a property of JSON. Today we will learn table tag is property of p tag or paragraph tag. And now if we use, and name is property of TH, and TH is property of TR, and TR is property of table tag. So when we want to create a bold font, then we have to use TH. Okay, and now if we don't want to use bold font, then we have to use TD. Okay, so again I am creating TR. I said all TR is column, and all, okay, so I am just creating another column and closing another column. Okay, and here I am using, what I am doing here, now I am creating TD. I am also closing TD. Now in this TD, what I am doing? I am doing TR TD. Okay. Now what I am doing? I am doing here name. Okay, and just EASKAR. So I am saving it. So this is one column, this is another column. Okay, and when you use TD, when we will use TH, then it's create heading, and when we will use TD, it's create normal font. Okay, I save it, and if I refresh it, then what I am seeing, this is heading, bold tag, it is normal tag. So if we use TH, then it will create heading. If we use TD, then it will create normal text. Okay, so like this way we can create another like this way we can create another property of TR. Okay, another and another. So what I can write here, name, class, and SHIFT, shift. And if you save it, then what will happen? Let me show you. Okay, so 1 TH, 2 TH, and 3 TH, and these all 3 TH is property. These all 3 TH is property of what? Say all property of TR. This is this fuller column. Okay, and this column is property of table. Okay, so you must understand. Now 1 TH, 2 TH, 3 TH, and these all 3 TH is property of TR, and this name is property of TH, this class is property of TH, this shift is property of TH. Okay, this shift is property of TH, this class is property of TH, this name property, this name is property of TH. Okay, so all are TR tag. So this all TH is property of TR tag. Okay, now we will do same thing here. We are creating column property. We are adding column property. So 1 property, 2 property, 3 property. Okay, now class, we are setting class 6, shift morning, and if we save it, then what we will see, what will we get? We will get, okay, ACAR, name ACAR, class 6, shift morning. So this is on TD, this is another TD, this is another TD. Okay, so what we are seeing here, ACAR is a property of TD, 6 is a property of TD, morning is property of TD. So hope you understand. Hope you have understood all this. Table is very easy. Now do another table. Do second table. It's totally fun. Table tag is totally fun. We are creating another table. Okay. Now this is another table. Okay. This is another table. Okay. In this table tag, what we will do? We will remove all this. We will remove all TAs, and we will do all this by on TH tag. on th tag. Okay, okay, okay. Now if we set here th call span, ts is call span. We know ts is tr. We know tr is call span. Okay, tr is column. So we are spreading ts portion. Where ts portion. Okay, so call span is equal to 3. Now we save and refresh this page. If we save and refresh this page, what we will get? We will get the same thing. We will get same thing. Okay, the name class shift. So you can say this is same, not same. This is not same. Let me show you. This is on ts. This is 2 ts. This is 3 ts. But these all three property. These all three properties all three property is in on ts. Let me show you. If you don't believe me, let me show you. Just I am using two column. Let me show you. Then what happened? Just save and refresh. Now see. This is on td. This is 2 td and this is 3 td. Now this all thing is getting 2 td portion. This all thing is getting 2 td portion. Okay, this all name class shift is getting 2 td portion. Now if you set here 1, then what will happen? Let me show you. See, now it get on td portion. So this is on td, this is 2 td and this is 3 td. Okay, but it's got only on td option. Now I am setting 3 td. When you use, then it will get 3 td portion. Okay, 3 ts portion, 3 td portion. Okay, yes. Now see, these all get 3 td portion. On td, 2 td and 3 td. Okay, now if I refresh this, now we know call span. How we can use call span? Call span exactly use portion. If we have 3 td and if we use call 3, if you use call span 3, then it will get 3 td portion. If we said call span 2 portion 2, then it will get 2 td portion. And if we set 1, then it will get 1 td portion. It's clear. Now we'll use what? Now we'll use raw option. For this reason we have to create another column. Okay, and if we save and refresh it, now see, let's see what happens. Now this is on column, this is 2 column, and this is 3 column. Okay, now we have 3 column. Okay, so what we have to do like this. We have to do this is call span and this is raw span. On to both are we can do both. We can set two things. By on call option. Okay, now do this. So I am on raw option, raw span, not call. It's raw, raw span, raw span is equal to 2. Now if we set raw span, raw span, then it will get 2 td portion. Okay, if we set 2 call span 2, then we are not allowed to use. We have to just remove. We have to remove next td option. So when we are setting 2, then we have to remove this is on, this is 2. Okay, if I keep it on, then it's okay. If I keep it, but when we will use 2, then we have to remove second column td, first td option. Okay, like this way. If we use here td TD raw span. Like this, so we have to use remove second TD option. So I have used first TD option. First second next column, first TD option. When you what we are doing, we are removing next column, first TD option. If we set here, let me show you. If we set here, then we have to remove this option, then we have to use this option, this portion. Okay, we have to remove this portion. Okay, now but I am not using this portion. I am just working with hot cut fast. I am working with fast raw span, fast TD option. Okay, so when I have did this, now let me see what happened. Okay, see. Okay, what we have done wrong here? Collar span, raw span. Okay. So maybe I have did something wrong here. Okay, Tier. This will be row span. Maybe I am doing something wrong here. Okay, row span, not raw. This will be row span. Okay, so when we will use row span, then if we use 2, then we have to remove second next column, first TD option. If we use 3, then we have to remove next TD option and again next TD option. So if we use 3, then we have to create another column. We have to create another column like this way. I have to create another TD option, and if we save and refresh this, now see. Okay, so we have 1 column, 2 column, 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. So here is 1 column, here is 1 column, here is 2 column, here is 3 column. So both 3 we have covered both 3 TD by 1 TD portion, which is collar span. Okay, when you use raw span, we will take a straight line. And when you use raw span, when you use collar span, it will take wide portion. When you use collar span, when you use raw span, this will take height option. Okay, this is height. This is all is height. Okay, this is height, and this is wide option. Wide line. This is height line. Okay, hope you understood all this. Now I am just removing one collar on tier and setting 2 row span, then it will do same way. Okay, now we have on tier, 2 tier, and first tier and second tier TD option is covered by on TD row span. So hope you understood all this. Okay. So if you this class is for finished today, hope you understood it. If you want this class code, then you will get this code link to video description. And if you did not join us with first class, then go to our YouTube channel. We have YouTube Advanced @ESKRECAR and go here, and from here you have to go playlist, and from this playlist you have to just click on play all, and from play all you will get all web development course A to Z. If you can finish this, I can assure you, you will get something extraordinary which will change your life entirely. You don't need to do any paid course. Okay, and if you want this code, if you want this code of this tutorial, you just have to do something like this. You have to go to just description section, and from there you have to go documentation code section, and here you will get a link, and if you click on this link, you will land on acat.com/tutorial web page, and from there you will learn HTML, JavaScript, any program you will learn. So we are currently working with HTML. For this reason, you will get here table. Okay, from this table you will get all source code like this way. Okay, this is exam table 1 and this is table 2. So hope you understood all this, and if you enjoyed this video and if you think that it's help you, then please click on like button. If you think it does not help you, then please click dislike button and give your opinion how you are doing by commenting. And if you have any question, any suggestion which can improve our tutorial, please ask, give your opinion through comment box. So bye bye, take care, keep coding, keep creating something extraordinary and change your life forever. Have a good day, tata, bye bye.